Disasters can strike at any time, leaving behind destruction and chaos. Whether it's a natural disaster like a hurricane or earthquake, or a man-made disaster like a terrorist attack, the aftermath can be devastating. In such situations, time is of the essence, and quick response is crucial to saving lives and minimizing damage. This is where robotics comes in. Over the years, robotics has emerged as a valuable tool in disaster response and recovery efforts. From search and rescue operations to rebuilding infrastructure, robots are playing an increasingly important role in disaster management. In this video, we will explore the different ways in which robotics is being used in disaster response and recovery, and how it is helping to make a difference in people's lives. One of the most critical tasks in disaster response is search and rescue. In the aftermath of a disaster, people may be trapped under rubble or debris, making it difficult for rescue teams to reach them. This is where robots can be particularly useful. Robots equipped with cameras and sensors can be sent into areas that were too dangerous for humans to enter. They can navigate through rubble and debris, searching for survivors and relaying information back to rescue teams. This not only helps to save lives but also reduces the risk to human rescuers. In addition to ground-based robots, aerial drones are also being used for search and rescue operations. Drones can quickly cover large areas, providing a bird's-eye view of the disaster zone and helping to identify areas where survivors may be trapped. Overall, robotics is revolutionizing the way search and rescue operations are conducted, making them faster, safer, and more effective. Disasters can cause significant damage to infrastructure, including buildings, roads, and bridges. Repairing this damage is crucial for getting communities back on their feet. However, inspecting and repairing infrastructure can be dangerous and time-consuming. This is where robots can play a vital role. Robots equipped with cameras and sensors can be used to inspect damaged buildings and infrastructure, identifying areas that need repair. This not only reduces the risk to human inspectors but also speeds up the inspection process. In addition, robots can be used for repairing infrastructure. For example, drones equipped with 3D printers can be used to repair damaged roads and bridges. This technology is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way infrastructure is repaired after disasters. Overall, robotics is helping to make infrastructure inspection and repair faster, safer, and more efficient, allowing communities to recover more quickly after disasters. Disasters can often result in the release of hazardous materials, such as chemicals or radioactive substances. Handling these materials is dangerous and requires specialized equipment and training. This is where robots can be particularly useful. Robots can be used to handle hazardous materials, reducing the risk to human workers. For example, robots can be used to contain and clean up spills or to remove contaminated debris. In addition, robots can be used to monitor the levels of hazardous materials in the environment. This information can be used to determine the extent of the contamination and to develop strategies for cleaning up the affected area. Overall, robotics is helping to make hazardous material handling safer and more efficient, reducing the risk to human workers and minimizing the impact of disasters on the environment. In conclusion, robotics is playing an increasingly important role in disaster response and recovery efforts. From search and rescue operations to infrastructure inspection and repair, hazardous material handling, and more, robots are helping to make disaster management faster, safer, and more efficient. While robotics is still a relatively new field in disaster management, it has already shown tremendous potential. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative uses of robotics in disaster response and recovery. Ultimately, the goal of using robotics in disaster management is to save lives, minimize damage, and help communities recover more quickly after disasters. With the help of robotics, we can achieve these goals and make a real difference in people's lives.